Good morning, kitty corns. I'm crossing the street to get to my car. There's my car. It has been sitting in that spot probably for the past week. As with anything, you have to have the time to really focus in on it to do repairs or, I don't know, get anything done. My car has had overheating problems, possibly a blown head gasket. I don't know why it wasn't suggested earlier on for me to just go pick up a head gasket tester kit. You pop the radiator, you put the tester kit with blue liquid over it, you pull some air through, and you see if the liquid turns yellow. And if it does turn yellow, then you're pulling exhaust through your system and your head gasket is probably blown. So here's the tester kit that I was able to pick up from Advanced Auto. It was close to 50 bucks. I think this one was $42. Anything I looked up online was close to that as well. I did see some people in other videos saying that you could rent them from some places. You rent the kit from different shops, but then you have to buy the liquid. So that's not what I did, but apparently that is an option and you could look into it if you need to. When we get started, we're gonna go ahead and take our radiator cap off. Then we're going to fill the cylinder with blue liquid. Then start your car. Now, if you're alone, get out, keep the cylinder with you, place it on the radiator, and there's a cone-shaped piece to fit any radiator. I'm gonna set that on there. Your kit should come with some sort of bulb or vacuum tube. The kit that I bought actually only had a vacuum tube, but lucky for me, I'm a video maker. And so I had a lens puffer and I just reversed that, set the sucking end on the end of the tube here and pulled air through the system. You want to pull air through this tester liquid for 2 minutes. And here we are at the end of 2 minutes, and it's still blue. I am pleasantly surprised and yet also sort of befuddled because I was pretty sure that I had a truly blown head gasket. Now we're on to testing other things and trying to figure out what is wrong with this car, but for the most part, at least I know it's not a blown head gasket, because that is fairly blue. Thanks for watching this how-to video. It was another episode of the Powell Couple vlog. This is my wife, Kat. If you've not seen any of our other vlogs, check them out. And as always, subscribe for goodbye kisses. Bye.